Alright, y'all. Let me try to use this little quiet time I got to get this unmolded. See what we got here. Okay. Let me grab the iron real quick so I can steam. Now that gets hot, let's. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's a few air bubbles in here, but that's alright. I hope y'all could hear me like I said, because listen, I don't know what's going on with this mic. And it should be hard. Yes, it is actually very hard. Oh my goodness. Y'all see how white that soap is? Yeah, we got a few ear pockets, but that's alright. We're still gonna soap. I'm excited to see if this swirled. Okay. After last time. So cut off.
Cheese.
Where's your mic at? Oh, you didn't have it in the living room.
Piece of paper towel.
Alright, when I'm done using it, I can put it on your shirt, okay? I gotta find your mic though.
All that color. So I know y'all heard them people in this video talking. Those people that were speaking in that video, well, in this video during the time of my recording, do not live in my household, and I have no idea what was going on and how they ended up in my audio recording. But as you see, I have the mic attached to me, and the whole time I was recording, there was nobody else with me. And yeah, I made a video on my TikTok in regards to that because it's just so weird. But yeah, back to this soap cutting. Trusty dusty soap cutter.
When I tell you I
Put this here.
I tell you I had a time, baby. I had a time last night.
So you can hear that it sounds like this lady is talking about her time that she had last night. I don't know who this lady is, y'all. I just want to cut my soap and talk to y'all and show y'all how excited I am about this cut and how this soap came out, because it came out bomb AF. The first little piece.
The source right here.
With this, the wire is a little like off.
Showing the city.
A little bit.
Airflow 2. And your teeth.
Oh, okay.
Right here.
You see that? Oh my goodness.
Are you done?
Oh yes. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. What happened here? Do you see that? It looked like it cracked. I wonder why that happened. If anybody knows why that happened, you guys could just let me know in the comment down below if that has ever even happened to you as well. I'd really appreciate any feedback I get. Thank you so much. Okay, that was just that part. Did you see the bottom? That's a nice white soap. No kaolin clay. I mean, no titanium dioxide added. It is. I'm getting a little crumble, and I'm not sure why. But nonetheless,
I say good morning.
We're gonna keep going. And if you see, I gotta push the wire down because the bottom of the soap is a little harder than the rest of the soap. But that is absolutely beautiful. For my first hanger swirl, I think I did fairly well. Maybe I need to tighten the wire a little more. Yeah, we're getting a little crumble at the bottom, but it's really not that bad. Soap is still absolutely stunning. That ginger and that cinnamon with the turmeric. Yes. Super excited. It turned out very well, my love. Very, very well. Look. I think this is the best one yet. It reminds me of that bar of soap that we bought from Edge of the Woods. Just a little bit. Whiting. Yes. Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy with this. So very happy. Okay, so I just needed to tighten my wire a bit. But it's still crumbling a little bit. I'm not sure what that is, but it doesn't even matter. Doesn't even matter right now because I am just tickled by how this came out. Mm-hmm. Very pleased with this soap. Very, very pleased with it. See that? Get into the details. Oh my goodness. You see the top? Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I love it. Mm. Absolutely love it. Amazing. Look at this lather. Just from a small piece of the soap. We did reach full gel. Okay. That is a beautiful, beautiful lather. I want to see with this one here. My hands are just wet with water. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Mm. You have a light exfoliation, very mild from the powders, the turmeric, the cinnamon, and the ginger. Very, very light. Mm. You can smell the cinnamon. You can smell the ginger. Mm. I love that. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, we're gonna do a rinse. See how that is, and repeat so y'all see.
Look at that. Mm. Mm.